Yo, what up YouTubers? So I am recording on the Galaxy S10 and the Galaxy S9 on the selfie mode. Now with the Galaxy S10, I believe you could go up to Ultra HD. Meanwhile on the Galaxy S9, you could go up to, I'd say what, Quad HD? Hey Google, turn on the light. Now for some reason the Galaxy S9 is a little bit darker. Let me switch hands and see if it's a difference. No, the S10 just makes my face look a lot brighter. Behaves when it comes to autofocus. It's my guitar, my face. So how does Super Saf do this? He actually has like a little toy or something. Let me just, my wall, back to me. The ceiling, back to me. Ceiling, back to me. So I'll have to actually review this. Now, right off the bat, I'm not liking the Galaxy S9. I am loving the Galaxy S10. It's making me look hella good. So, I'm not exactly. There's no beauty effect or anything on, like, there's no. I don't think you could have any effects on the bro. I look like a freaking Bollywood star in the S10, man. Holy shit! I look like crap on the. I look like I just woke up on the S9. I got like dark circles and shit. I mean, I just came back from the gym. I probably look like tired and stuff, but to actually make me look better than I actually do in real, actually, who knows? Maybe the S10 is more realistic. Who knows? Look like Shah Rukh Khan or something. I'm just joking. So, yeah, what do you guys think about the selfie cameras? Now, yes, I am tired of making YouTube videos. I said once I put all the energy on the OnePlus 6T review video, that's gonna be it for a while. Man, I gotta focus on my career and get into computer programming and sharpen up my skills and stuff and get a serious career. So yeah, I'm doing that right now. So what else can we do? Let me just pause this real quick. Okay, so now I've just switched hands and the same shit with the S9. I look, I don't know, why does it look like I have like a shadow on my face even while switching hands? It doesn't make any sense. Wow, on the S10, bro, look at my face. Looks super clean. Looks like I could be in a commercial or something. So yeah, on the S10, I'm loving this phone. This freaking okay. Why do I love it? Because of the camera system is freaking epic. This camera system, it's freaking epic. I got 3 different lenses. I got my favorite wide-angle lens, which was found in the LG G6, and now I got it on the Samsung. And I got the telephoto lens. If you want to zoom in, I got that too up my sleeve. That was this in a dual pixel autofocus something, which is found on Canon DSLRs. That's highly impressive because usually in low light situations, the S9 usually hunts for my face and stuff and gets pretty annoying. But this one, I can move around and it's still, meanwhile, while this might hunt a little bit, especially, bro, why do I look like Scar from Lion King on this one? Over here, I look like Mufasa. I look like Simba. Wow. Samsung, whatever you've done on the S10, bro, congratulations. You guys made a masterpiece. I'm in love with this phone. So, catch you guys. Just a quick selfie test. AlteredTech, sign out. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful Thursday. That means Thursday is basketball night on NBA on TNT. So, I'll catch you guys later tonight, maybe. See you guys soon. Peace. Let me know if you want to see another video. Bro, I look awful on this S9. Okay, bye.